everybody, it's Neil and I am here in my kitchen and I have this here. This is the all-in-one action camera accessory set. So I have a GoPro and I want to get like all the different accessories for it, and getting it from them was really expensive. So I found this place here that has a whole bunch of accessories you can get in this kit, and it's a lot less money. So let's check this thing out. Let's open it up here. Go. And let's unzip and see what we get. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, wow, holy cow, there's a lot of accessories. So we're gonna go through all these and I'll show you what we get. So let's kind of aim it down a little bit here. So we got, I guess we'll start with this section in here. Maybe there's some instructions here that kind of give you a little overview. So it looks like you can kind of see here, it's gonna come with the chest strap, the clip mount, suction cup, 3-way adjustable arm, helmet extension cam, 3-color filter, floating handle grip, wrist strap, head strap, bike mount. Man, it comes with everything, and then all the different little sticky adhesives and a bunch of different setting stuff and everything. Holy cow. Okay, so let's check it out and see how the quality of these things look. So this is gonna be some of the filters on this one here. Let's just check it out and see how these look. I don't think I need to necessarily go through every one, but we'll just look at this one here. Give you a little brief idea of how it looks. I'm colorblind, I think maybe, is it like red? Maybe, okay, but oh wow, so this is it. I'm gonna touch it, but normally you wouldn't wanna touch these things too much, but it seems pretty good. It's like a polycarbonate kind of lens, and it's got the little string to it, I guess, so you can have it through the little loop there, and then you won't lose it, so very nice. So it'll connect on there. All right, it looks like it comes with the red, maybe blue, and clear. I don't know, colorblind, so those are gonna be tough questions for me. So we'll put those aside because we've checked those out now. This one here is, I don't even know what this one is. Let's see, does it really even see what this one is? This is, adhesive anchors to a variety of gear. So I guess we can string up to other items and stick it on and have another little string so we don't lose it. And then this one here is a wrench that tightens and loosens those screws on. Oh, you got that right there. I know that one. I know that one. If you have a GoPro, you know this, that little type of screw thingy there, because man, everything screws on with that. There you can see it. Oh, there's my camera on that side. Okay, so there's that. So we'll put these back in here so we don't lose it. And then this one here is just a little stick that you can clip onto other items. We have this is for self-shooting. I guess this is gonna be just a extension arm of some sort. Yes, helmet extension arm. Bye, good guess. So we can, so you see it's got the 2 connector and then the connector there. So this will just basically extend whatever, anything. You can extend anything on that one, just gives you a curve. So it's good. So it'll be nice for a helmet. And this stuff here seems to be really made well. It's not like some cheap 3D printed something, like 3D printing stuff I do. But no, this is really molded, hard polycarbonate kind of plastic here. Good, very good, nice. These are just like some stickers, I guess, of some sort. I don't know what these ones are. Anti-fog insert, okay. I guess you just stick them in there in the fog. Here's some connectors here. I don't know why in the light, it just doesn't show up great, but we'll take them out and show you here. So these are the connectors here to connect different pieces. So, I mean, this is what the wrench will go on, if you've seen those. Well, the other side of it, I guess the screw, but then here's another one here. One's a little longer than the other. Okay, we'll close that up, and now we're gonna get into some more stuff. Here's another piece here. Let's see what this one is for. Oh, clip, so you can clip. If you have to clip it on something, wow, that's got a good grip, ouch. But if you wanted to clip it on the side of a table or on something, you can clip it on and that'll keep your GoPro mounted very well on there. And these are nice. They have these the little screw thingies on there. They don't fall out. The ones that I had before, they don't fall out all the time. Okay, so there's that. Let's see what we got here. Here's another kit of adjustable little screw things for it too. So we have this one here. Oh, so here we have one of these screws too. So we have this, just another connector, and then this one here. So you can mount it like this here would be like on a bike handlebar kind of thing. It would go this way, and then you have to make the turn. But yeah, that would be good for like a handlebar or something round pipe. So kind of cool, man. These are nice. These are so easily adjustable and stuff too. This is the greatest thing ever. Okay, super cool. Very nice, man. And good quality. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we got a bunch more screws. So in case you know what those are, everybody knows what those are. That's gonna be like a wrist strap. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, some sort of a wrist strap, so we can wrist it on here. So when you go skydiving or something like that, you just want to kind of aim it towards yourself, you can do that. I haven't been skydiving in a long time. I'd like to go again. Somebody invite me. And then here we go. Here's a case for it. I'm not sure this is going to fit my GoPro because I have the Hero 11. I think it's very small. But there's a case, but it looks very nice, and it's going to clip. Yep. Just like my, I used to have a GoPro something. I don't remember which one, but it was same looking case as this. It looked almost exactly the same. Oh, actually, mine had a hole in the back because it had a screen. But there we go. So it's got a really nice clip to it, man. Oh, that's doing it wrong. Gotta go this way first, and then there. Leverage it on down. You got access to the button up here and the button on the side. So very cool, very nice. And a couple more mounting. Let's see what's this one here. Here's the nice little rubber case for it. Silicone for the GoPro Hero there for the, oh, my Hero Mini, that's why. So there's another, nice case for it, nice and flexible. If you hear the water keep going along, sorry, that's my my hydro garden tower. Okay, but then we have this one here. Oh, this is gonna be nice. This is like a selfie stick. Very cool. So here we go. So we have a huge mount. So you can push the button to loosen it and then tighten it up, whatever. Very nice. So you can totally hold it away from you. It's got a nice, good grip on it. Oh, I'll be right back. I got somebody at my door. I'm sorry about that interruption. Somebody was at my door delivering pizza. Okay, so we have this cool handle here, and it's nice that it folds up, and you push the little button on it to rotate it down, and it folds up nice and convenient. And then it gets really long. I mean, it's gonna say it's gonna get about 16 inches or so. So very cool. Very cool. Okay, put that one. I don't know why I'm putting everything back in the bag, but since I've started, I'm just gonna continue. But okay. Let's see, what do we got here? We're probably halfway done it. Okay, so let's see what this one is here. This is gonna be some sort of strap. That's probably the head strap. It's not super heavy duty. Yeah, it's not super huge, but here we go. Oh, man, that's very good. So there, so it's got a nice grip to it. So there, we'll have the camera on the top, and it'd be sweet. So it'll totally hold it on, man. It's got a good grip. Probably the great size for me right now. So if I went skiing or something, I could put that on. Very nice, very nice. And it's got that rubber on the inside too, so it kind of sticks onto it, so that won't be rotating all around. So I'll put that back in the Ziploc because I keep putting everything back in the Ziploc. And here's a couple of curved mounts with some sort of bracket. Let me see, what's the bracket gonna connect to? Oh well, I'll keep moving on. And then here we have a suction cup mount. So this is kind of cool. So we can suction it on, and then it's got, it's the mount with the slides. So I'm guessing that's what this one is that I just saw. Probably will slide onto it. Is it? Or is that a clip? That's a clip. The slides are gonna be these. Let's see. Yeah, so, that's another slide right there. So we have extra slides that we get. And then what goes into the slide is the other connectors. Got a lot of stuff. So like this little slide into it there, right? Is it going to? No. Like that, so we can fit it in, slide in, and then hold it in place. And good luck getting it out. There we go. Oh, clips all the way in. Then we can take it out. So then that's the mount here. So these are kind of more universal of mounts. Now it looks like we got 2 of these here, and then we have 2 that have curves on them too. So very nice. I keep putting everything back in the Ziplocs. I keep doing this, and I'm just not gonna stop. Okay. And what do we got here? We have, oh, great. It's like probably a floating handle. So this would be good for in the water, because it's got like a little air filled thing here that would totally float. It's very light. And like a lot of the stuff comes with the screws, and a lot of them just have the screws separate. It's kind of interesting that they do that, but there's plenty of screws and plenty of pieces here, that's for sure, man. If you have a GoPro, man, this is the kit to get. Okay, and then the very last piece is, let's check it out. Must be the chest strap, because I haven't seen that yet. Now it's one of the things I want to get. And that's what this is. So this is the chest strap. So it's gonna go like, put it on. Like that. And then, all right, put my, well, I have to have one of those connectors like this. This is gonna be the weird one. It's not direct, but you get the idea. So you'll have it on there. Like that. And then the camera on there. So there we go. So then I can have it on my chest strap. So then if I'm doing some other extreme sports, I'll be able to have it right on there. So very cool. Love this kit, man. Sweet. It's a little tight for me, but it works. So, and that's what it looks like. And obviously it's very strong. It stays in. Got some bungees, so it's stretchable as well. So it's very cool, and it comes in this super cool zipper pouch case that I have here. So I'm gonna say this thing is really cool, really awesome. And these are all the pieces and parts you get with the HONGDAK all-in-one action camera accessories. So very cool. Thumbs up from me, I love it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.